Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, I wanted to pop on real quick to share with you a quick little treat bag I have put together for the Ghirardelli snowman chocolates. Okay, so normally they come in the squares, but this year they offered these sizes, and these are the little treat bags that are going to go along with the gift card holders that I shared in the previous video. And I think they come 14 or 16 to a pack, and the cost for each bag is around $6 to $7. So if you might be able to get them on sale or with a coupon, but nevertheless, so this is what I will be giving our volunteers along with their gift cards tomorrow. And essentially what it is just a sort of a tea bag type holder. So what it is, it's basically just two pockets, and you can really put anything inside of here as long as it meets the dimensions and it doesn't pucker it out too much. I do have some youth volunteers in addition to some adult volunteers. And so if you guys will look right here, let's see. There's some that I have just in progress right now that I'm working on and I've got to finish. But I figured let me turn on the camera so that you guys could get an idea of how to do this as well. Because when I do it in bulk, when I do it in mass production, I kind of like push through until I'm done. So first thing you'll need, the measurements. I think it's 4.5. Let me just, this is what we're going to do. If you took a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and you folded it in half, you'd have let's just cut it on this line. You'd have 8.5 by 5.5. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so 8.5 by 5.5. And that's what you would end up with. So then you would take, let me make sure I'm in frame here. Yeah. You would then take this paper, and you don't need, let me tell you what you'll need. Glue stick. You really don't need, I didn't even use this. Glue stick, scissors, just something to score in your paper or make your creases sharp. A stapler and a hole punch. And these are items that we already have in our offices and on our desks. So it's not like you got to go out and get some major supplies. Just get the candy and then I'll show you what I did with it. So, and there's no major science to it. You fold it in kind of like on the third, but you're not going to fold it in the third. What you're going to do is you're going to fold this so that it overlaps here by maybe 2/8 of an inch. So, and then I'll show you how much room is left. Let me move that out of the way so there's nothing blocking the light. Okay. So, and this is where that good old credit card or debit card or old gift card or whatever you're no longer using, use that to score it with or to burnish with. So this is about how much overlap we have. You see that? It's not that much, okay? So remember, it's half of a sheet of paper. Fold it a little bit past the halfway mark, and then fold the other side to meet to about 2/8 of an inch over. Once you have that folded like that, you're going to take your glue stick, run a small little bead, and of course it's going onto my table, but in normal circumstances and with this here batch that I just got finished with, I wouldn't dare do so with an uncovered desk, but I've got to clean this desk off anyways because there's been quite a bit of crafting going on here. And then you make sure that that glue stick, that glue is adhering well. And this is one of the reasons why you don't need some super strong glue, is because of the construction of this. So then you take that, and with the outside where the seam is, you're going to fold it in half. Okay, you're going to fold that in half so that the tops meet, and then you'll crease it. Take your bone folder or whatever you're using to get the good crease and do so at the bottom. Then turn it around, flip it up so that you have 2/8 of an inch, 2 to 3 inches, 2 to 3/8 of an inch on the fold, and that's what you should see. See that? And this is what's going to give you something like a tea bag bottom effect. So then you take once you have that folded like this, you're going to take it, flip it. Oh, good God. What am I doing here? Oh, yeah. You're going to take it, flip it over, and you're going to, no, good Lord. Scratch that. Okay, there we go. You're going to take it and fold it up so that the top sides meet. Hold it, press the bottom down, using your boning folder or whatever, crease your ends, and this is what you're left with. Now at this point, this is when I went on ahead and punched holes in the bag about 1/8 of an inch, 2/8 of an inch from the top, and this is how the chocolates will fit inside. And it's a perfect size for it because it does give it a little room for these particular treats without it being too snug. And then from there, and I'll do the same with this side. Once we're at that point, we put the other one in. Good gracious alive. Oh, and also kind of open up the bottom part like that. It helps so that your treats go all the way to the bottom. Take your top, get your stapler, staple that top just to secure it, and now you're able to add a tag to it and run a little bit of whatever you want to go through it. So let's just see. You know, I just pulled this out of my Christmas box. Let me see if this will work. I'm curious. So I'm going to run this through the back. Yep, it will. So there's a bag. And I also, for majority of these, they all have, so this goes with this. I just have to add they all have washi tape at the bottom. I have to add the ribbon and finish it off, and then that's good to go. So this is how it would look. You know, you add whatever ribbon or trim that you like, and some washi tape down at the bottom, and maybe even a to and from stamp on the back, and you have yourself a cute little gift or favor or treat, something to let whomever know during the holiday seasons that you appreciate them, and that that you're wishing them a happy holiday. And so I hope this has inspired you to pull out some of the scraps and white printer paper, because this is what it is. It's white printer paper, but you of course can use any type of scrapbook paper, or I wouldn't use cardstock. I would use regular, a thinner type of paper. But that being said, I hope this has inspired you to pull out what you have and be a blessing to someone and help it make this holiday season a joyous one. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.